Okay, so when we take a look at your link here, this is your web space. Here's the folder. But as we see here, menu copy.html, and we look at your code, you have as menu.html, so it's not going to find it. And the other thing is we don't do the S itself. The S is for secured for HTTPS. It should be just HTTP. So when I click on this, this up here, shows your page, but this code up here does not give us the exact website. You have to decipher it. They talk about it in the learning activities, but you just start with your domain name, and then you have your folder and your page name. So what I do is you can modify this right up here. So what I'll have is I'll just go in and I'll copy and paste this over. And the thing I have to do is delete this public HTML from this URL. But your URL becomes simply this. And you have to spell exactly the page name. You have the page name say menu space copy. Now, again, with that, you did not upload your CSS sheet. So when I go up and I view my page source here, you have a folder called CSS, and inside that folder you have a menu. So with that said, if I come back into this, and let me go back out, I don't see a CSS folder in here. So what I have to do is I have to upload. Let me go back here real quick. I'm going to create, you can do two things. You can, first thing we want to do is we want to create the CSS folder here. Okay, and then we're going to open up that CSS, and we're going to upload the CSS sheet to that folder. If you don't do that, then your CSS sheet will not work. So again, now if you're using the FTP client, then you just drag the folder up into the server. It's a lot easier than doing it this way, but again, you have to have the CSS